Hello everyone, I am Brianna and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about Archer and Olive. I have a few things to share with you that I have recently purchased. So I have been an affiliate of Archer and Olive for a few years now. I haven't been doing a great job being an affiliate for them. I feel like I bought that big travel pen case and I shared that, and then that was it. I kind of got too busy. I was ordering other things and I forgot about Archer and Olive. So I recently went on their website. I re-upped my affiliation with them and purchased a few things. And each month I am going to be getting the sticker kit. This is new to me. I have 2 months already. I have October and November, and then some things that I ordered on the side. So I will just go ahead and show you those now. This is the Archer and Olive decorative tape. I got this because it was fall themed and beautiful. Look at these. So this one is thicker, has like a little lantern on it. This is a row of trees, some fall leaves, and then a smaller tape that has some gold foil fall leaves on it. I'm definitely going to be using these in my planner for the rest of October and for November. We just have to figure out what stickers to use and what will go with it, but I am excited about those. I also picked up some stickers. I got these ones. So 2 sheets of those. Figure these can be perfect for my memory keeping pages, maybe even add a few on my weekly spread. And then these. How pretty, right? I mean, I just love fall trees. So this, when I saw it on their website, I knew that I had to get this. So the other thing that I added to my order was this sticker keeper. I mainly purchased this because when you get the sticker kit, it comes in a pouch. I will show you in a minute. But it comes in a pouch that you can put right into this binder. So I thought it would be perfect to... Oh, I'm like looking at this. I'm like, does that come off? Yeah, perfect just to pop right in. So it comes with some of these little pouches, and you can put any stickers that you want in here, pretty much anything. So I thought this would be really handy to have on my desk to just grab it and flip through stickers. Like my plan is to put like the current month's Southern Belle Plan stickers and, you know, Handkin Plan, all of that, along with the kits that I get. So I have these flipped over because the label is on the opposite side, but this is what I received for October. It is a pouch, and let me open it here and share what you get. There's not a lot in here, but I feel like it's enough to get you by for a spread or two and make your pages cute. I actually like this because with other companies, you know, you get so much stuff and you don't really use it. But with this one, you kind of get a little sample of something and it's perfect for a spread, and then you're done and you don't have a ton wasted. So here is some washi. I think that's really cute. And then some bows, and it has one of these little tabs there that you peel, and you can just stick it there. So you get 4 of those. And then you get papers, and you can use these. For me, I feel like I want to use them, like paste pictures on them, and then like it kind of be a backdrop. So, and they're not super thick. With what I use with my Planner Perfect, I don't want something super thick because I still want to be able to like flip through the pages. And when you have cardstock, you can't really do that. Here are the stickers that it comes with. I mean, look at how pretty. And then you get these really cute date stickers, day of the week covers. You get some boxes. And then more day of the week, and then flags. So like I said, it is just like the perfect amount. And this is actually helping me, like making me feel better about taking a pause with Cocoa Daisy. Because if you've been following me for a little while, you know that I have been saying that I want to kind of like pause a little bit because I'm just getting too much stuff. So I'm actually going to take some of these out. Let's see if I can do this. I'm gonna take out this paper. Sorry for shaking the camera, but trying to get this out of here. I just don't want too many of these plastics in here if they're empty, you know? I want to be able to use the amount that I need. So my first one is going to be October. Okay, come on. Like they're punched, but the plastic is still there. So I'm just taking that off. All right, there's the first one. Now I'm going to open November. You guys, this is the November Kit Club. Did I call it a sticker kit? I think they call it the Kit Club, and it's the month that they're on is what they say. So November Kit Club. I haven't taken this out of the box yet or out of the envelope. I haven't looked at it. So this is the first time that I'm seeing this. I looked at October already because I just couldn't wait. And then I was like, you know, I'm going to save November to do it on camera. Okay, you get little corners here. Little gold corners. This is the washi that it comes with. Look at how cute. Look at a little pie, an envelope, just memory keeping. Love that. Here are the papers. So you get 2 of each. That's cute. Like even those 2 together, so adorable. I actually like this dot grid that they put in here because you could just like cut this in half and it can be what you write your journaling for the day on there. Like, I don't know, it's just really cute. Oh, look at these. Look at how cute. I keep saying cute. They're so cute. And then different like leaves, flowers. I like how it has like the gold foil. Yeah, making memories. The simplest moments make the best memories. So this one is like a memory keeper theme. And then I love that gingham. These are beautiful colors together. So I like that Kit Club for November too. So this is, like I said, this is all new to me. I haven't used any of this. So I mean, keep watching my channel because I will be using these in my spreads, in my Planner Perfect book. And I'm just super excited about this. I'm excited to just get these each month and get creative with them. Like I said in the beginning though, it's just enough decor and like functional things that you need for your planner without overdoing it. You know, I feel like I've been overdoing it for a while. All right, so these are the first 2. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I put my affiliate link in the description. You have to scroll down a little bit to find all of my codes. I don't actually have a code. I have a link. So if you use the link, it will let Archer and Olive know that you heard about this from me. So I would appreciate you using that. And I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. Talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.